but I finished all of these special drill items from that haul. Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta, and today I've got a finish for you, or a couple of finishes for you. These come from my Fansells haul. I will pop a link up in the eye so that you can check that out if you would like to. But I finished all of these special drill items from that. I'll share with them with you today and give you my thoughts. So first up we have the drinking cup. This was great fun to do. This was $7.99 when I ordered it. You can see there it is so sparkly inside. It was really nice to do. The AB drills, you can see there, came out lovely, and you can still, if you wanted to, you could still go in and change this sleeve out, put in a different picture if you wanted to, which also means that if you want to, you can take it out while you're washing the cup, which means hopefully it should survive a little bit longer and you won't have to worry about any damage happening to it. But yeah, I'm really pleased with it. The cup is good quality, the diamond painting was nice to do, and yeah, I will definitely be doing more of these if I get the chance. So we've got that one. Nextly, we will look at the bookmark. This is here. So this is the little corner bookmark. So it's sort of a pleather on one side and then this lovely special drill on this side. I have sealed it. Just because I figured it would have a lot of wear and tear, so it would be worth sealing it. That also stops any of that extra sticky that you can sometimes get on these special shape drills in the little gaps in between. So the bookmark was bargain price of $1.99. The way that I found it most useful is for marking my spot in my planner. So this is my mini planner. It's a Happy Planner mini planner. And it's great for just marking my page in here, just so that I know exactly where to turn to every time. So yeah, I would definitely do another one of those, and at $1.99, bargain price, makes a great gift. Yeah, can't go wrong. So finally, the last one of my special drill items was this beauty. So this is my frog on a lily pad window pendant. So it hangs in a window, and you can see it's got sort of lovely stained glass effect. Oh, ring light. Yeah, so it's a lovely stained glass effect, and when you do hang it in the window, you do get some light coming through it and creating really lovely effects. This was $5.99, which, you know, for the quality, it's a nice sturdy perspex. It's got a nice chain on it, I think is great, and I had a lot of fun working on this one. It was really nice to do. So yeah, this is my super short and sweet finish video. I hope that you've enjoyed seeing these items. Which of these three is your favourite? Let me know down below. And do remember, if you want to check out Fansells and get any of these items or anything else for yourself, I do have a discount code. It is always in the video description for all of my videos, but it is season 5 off, and that will get you 5% off of your whole order. So that is all from me for today. Check back soon to see what else I have for you. In the meantime, remember to like, share, subscribe if you haven't already, become a member of the Crafty Coven. Huge thank you to all of those who support me over on Patreon. And until next time, stay crafty!